In a world that never stops moving, kailangan nating piliin ang huminto. Our weekdays are busy, pero ang weekends, sa aming pamilya talaga yon. I've realized na ang pinakamagandang gift na may bibigay natin sa ating mga anak is a childhood they don't have to heal from. We're the kind of family that finds joy kapag nagkakasama, nagtatrabaho man o nagpapahinga. Today, we're visiting a quiet corner in the city. It's not just a walk in the park. It's about making memories na dadalhin nila paglaki. Hindi man perfect ang buhay namin, pero masasabi kong masaya. Hi! Welcome to the vlog. I'm Agnes Lu, and we're the Lamang Wanit family. Salamat sa pagsama sa amin as we find rest in the quiet moments that makes our heart full. After a busy week, my husband and I always agree na kailangan naming mag-stroll at mag-unwind kasama ang mga bata. These weekends allow us to renew our strength and set a positive mood for the week ahead. For my eldest at school, kay tatay sa work, at para sa akin na rin. It serves a double purpose. Quality time na, building good memories pa for our children. Pumunta kami sa isang spot na hindi pa namin napupuntahan during daytime. Nagbaon kami ng dinner at snacks para makatipid. Pero alam nyo naman, kahit may baon, mahirap pa rin hindi mapabili pag may nakitang masarap.
Tabi-tabi po kayo, baby!
I can truly say, this day is beautiful. Ang lawak ng space, perfect sana pang picnic. Pero napili muna naming maglakad-lakad since it's our first time here. I'm amazed that even in the middle of the city, you can find a place to truly relax. Nakaka-inspiring panoorin yung mga taong nagja-jogging. Habang ginagawa ko ang video na ito, ang saya at gaan sa pakiramdam. Iba ang saya kapag pinapahalagahan ng oras na kasama lang sila at wala nang iba pang iniisip pa. Nung padilim na at malayo na kami sa sasakyan, we decided to head over to the nearby mall. Maraming tao, but not too crowded. Just enough para maramdaman namin yung serenity na nahanap namin sa park. Nag-snacks lang muna kami habang naghahanap ng pwesto para sa baon naming dinner. This day has been so worth it. After our stroll, pumunta naman kami sa usual spot namin kung saan madalas kaming nagkakape o nagbabike ang panganay ko. Sinubukan naming magdipadyak kasama si Bunso at syempre si tatay ang driver. Nakakakilig pa nga nung biglang kumanta si Mr.
Sana'y nasan man ang pangarap ko, kumamot at kaya kuya ka na kitapin.
Ang mga ganitong simpleng sandali ang nagpapanatili ng tamis sa pagsasama naming mag-asawa. Pero wag ka, nag-aaway din naman kami, no? Balance lang dapat. We decided to have our dinner here na rin. Actually, nag-full memory na yung phone ko, kaya hindi ko na masyadong detalyadong nakuhanan ng buong dinner session namin. Pero inisip ko na lang, at least, masaya pa rin kaming kumakain together na walang distraction. Sometimes, the best moments are the ones we don't capture on camera, but keep in our hearts instead. Whenever we get to band like this, and the weather is so nice, I can't help but thank the Lord, because not everyone has given the opportunity. Lagi nating isipin na importante na may oras tayo para sa pamilya, kahit gaano pa tayo ka-busy. And if we didn't have the best family experiences when we were young, I hope we can make it up for it in the family we are building now. A happy family is a different kind of joy. Every day doesn't have to be perfect. Ang mahalaga, we show up for our kids. Sabi nga nila, the best kind of rest is quality time kasama ang pamilya. I hope you enjoyed this video at sana may nakuha kayong munting lessons or inspiration that you can apply in your own life. I hope to see you next time. That's all for today. I wish you all a happy heart. Ingat!